Question answer class 8 chapter 12. Very short answer type question. Question number 1. Write two effects of friction. Children, in this question you have to tell only two effects of friction. What friction can cause. Now its answer. First point is friction produces heat. Because of friction heat is produced. And the second point is it is always in the direction opposite to the direction of motion. Friction always exists in the direction opposite to the direction of motion. Now question number 2. Name the types of friction. Very easy question. Types of friction. Children, we know friction is of three types: sliding friction, rolling friction and static friction. Sliding, rolling and static friction. Question number 3. What do you meant by the term friction? What do you meant by the term friction? Means friction का meaning क्या है? Answer. Friction, this is the force. Friction is the force which acts along the two surfaces in contact and opposes the motion of one body over the other. Means friction, this is a type of force and this acts along the two surfaces which are in contact, and friction opposes the motion of one body over the other. Now question number 4. What happens when you try to walk on a smooth, well polished floor wearing brand new shoes? Means you have purchased a new brand shoes and then after wearing that you are walking on a smooth, well polished floor. Now its answer. While moving on a smooth, well polished floor wearing brand new shoes, we slip on the floor due to very less friction between the floor and the soles of the shoes. Due to the smoothness of the floor, the friction is already reduced. Due to the less friction, we may slip. Short answer type question. Question number 1. Why are aeroplanes and ships' bodies streamlined? Children, I think you now know the streamlined meaning. Streamlined means a body shape in which the front part is narrow and middle portion is broad and the tail portion, this is also narrow. Now aeroplanes and ships' body, these are streamlined. This is only to reduce the friction to minimum when they are moving in the air or the ships are moving in the water. So due to water and air, the friction is reduced by the streamlined body shape. Question number 2. Why are old and smooth tire discarded? When the tires become old and smooth, we have to discard them. We have to throw them. So why? Old and smooth tires, these are discarded because they become smooth by repeated use. So friction is reduced because the tires become smooth. So the friction is reduced between the road and tires, and there is the risk of skidding of the vehicle. The vehicle skid due to less friction. So the driver or the owner, so they discard such type of tires. Question number 3. If a tug of war match is played on a very smooth surface, then what will be the result? Tug of war game, I think children you know. Now children, if tug of war match this is played on a very smooth surface, then the players may slip on the surface. Due to smoothness decrease the friction, due to the less friction between the smooth surface. Okay, so reduces friction. The surface becomes smooth, so this reduces the friction and the players may slip. Question number 4. Why does your eraser get smaller and smaller when you use it frequently to rub? Now the answer, eraser gets smaller and smaller because it wears out as it is used repeatedly. Due to friction or continuous use, it wear out and becomes smaller and smaller. 5. Why are spaceships provided with heat shield? In the spaceships, heat shield is provided. Then why? Answer is heat shield protects the spaceship from fiery temperature it experiences while re-entering the earth atmosphere with a great speed. So this causes heat build up due to friction with air. So a heat shield this is required to protect the spaceship. Children, I think you understood. Heat shield protect the spaceship from the fiery or increased temperature which the spaceship experiences when it re-enter the earth atmosphere with a great speed. When it is coming back and re-enter the earth atmosphere with great speed, then it experiences very fiery temperature. So the heat shield, so this protect the spaceship. Okay. Now the next question, why do vehicle tires have grooves on them? Children, in the lesson I have explained you grooves are provided on the vehicle tires and they increase the roughness of the tires. Now its answer, treads or grooves on the vehicle tires increase friction and provides a better grip to vehicles on the road and prevent them from skidding. Now we can say because of the treads or grooves on the tires, the vehicle this can run smoothly on the road without getting skid or without getting slip. Question number 7. Why do painter use sandpaper in whitewashing to rub the walls and before polishing doors? Children, you have seen the washer or the painter uses sandpaper to clean the surface before applying any paint or whitewash. Now its answer, by using sandpaper friction increases and which makes the surface of the walls and the doors smooth to be painted again. When the sandpaper is used to clean any surface, so due to the increased friction, the surface get clean and become very smooth so that the paint or the whitewash can be done very easily.